I forgot that how many times I came here from film camera to digital camera. I captured all moments, but every time I felt that Munnar is always in Munnar. You cannot compare with other hill stations. Lush green tea estate, landscapes, several falls, rivers, dams, highest peak in South Indian hills, national park, wildlife sanctuary and much more make it a popular destination for honeymoon. Hi friends, welcome to your channel Travels and Tips. To get this type of informative video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. What is the best time to visit Munnar? You can visit any time to Munnar, but for me, monsoon is the best time to explore the Kashmir of South India. Ernakulam Junction and Ernakulam town is well connected by train. You can book a taxi from station or bus from KSRTC bus stand. It will take around 3 hours to reach Munnar. Cochin International Airport is around 110 km from Munnar. You can book taxi from here also. All types of hotels are available here, but to enjoy the beauty of Munnar, you should stay outskirts of the main town. Change the view after rain. Half an hour before, when you entered this road was dry, but after few spell, look the view. Papa. Here we enjoy the landscape with some local bhaji. There are 4 major directions in Munnar. Madhupetti directions, you can visit Rose Garden, Elephant Park, Madhupetti Dam, Kundala Dam and Top Station. In Thekkady directions, you can visit Signal Viewpoint, Lokha Tea Park and Museum, Periya Canal Waterfalls. In Adimali direction, you can visit Othamedu Viewpoint, Chiapara Waterfalls and Chengulam Dam. In Coimbatore directions, Eravikulam National Park, Anamudi Peak and Lakhan Waterfalls. Next morning, our destination is Rose Garden. Here you can enjoy with different seasonal flowers and cactus. On the way towards Madhupetti Dam, you can enjoy the beauty of tea gardens. Now our Chottu is become a photographer. Reached Madhupetti Dam. Dam was constructed in 1953 for hydroelectricity. Eco Point near Kundala Dam. Bye bye. Now reached top station. This viewpoint situated in Tamil Nadu but connecting by road through Kerala. Here some locals will force you to hire a pony to reach the top point. But believe me, it is totally waste of money. Distance is only 200 meters to walk to the point. It offers a panoramic view of majestic Western Ghat hills. This area is famous for popular Neelakurinji flowers, which blossoms only once in 12 years. Last bloom was on 2018 and next will be 2030. My family is too tired after crossing several steps. Last time when we came, there was a monsoon time, but believe me, that was my memorable time in Munnar. We stuck here for 2 days due to rain and landslide. While returning, we saw wild elephants were grazing on green slope. Next day morning, we visited Eraviculam National Park and Lakkam waterfalls. This time on third day, we are visiting Puthamedu viewpoint, Chiapara waterfalls and Chengulam Dam Garden. Small tips. For Munnar, 2 nights and 3 days are enough to cover all tourist spots. Plan accordingly.